I once spent 5 days on a 404 page. They couldn't find the page. Is this mic working? I'm the guy responsible in this department for optimizing the file size of our readmes. Now, the problem cannot be the server. We are serverless. The configuration is flexible, yeah, if you change the hard-coded value. It's backward compatible if you go back in time. I intend to build production systems like it's a Jupyter notebook. Why use TypeScript when we can use console log? Monitoring system. Just check if the website loads. Security. Our API key is securely hidden in the code base. Fix the memory leak. Just auto-scale the RAM, bro. How long will it take? It will take however long it will take. I'm top of the props with JavaScript frameworks. Nginx. I have a coding podcast at 9:30. I mean, what is Git without GitHub, right? I'm always on the latest tech conferences, always mentoring my fellow bootcamp disciples. Z-index minus 9,000. That's the sweet spot. Opacity 200%. My Lighthouse score averages minus 23. If my commit messages don't have emojis, how would you know how I feel? Git pull, do not rebase. Never rebase. Did stuff, lol, push. Merge conflict. Where's my USB stick? All of our video files I store in the GitHub, yes. I'm still on master branch. I get rid of all the comments to save file size. I'm an AWS certified expert. I'd prefer switching the framework instead of finishing the feature. I really want to convince our team about Kubernetes. Yeah. The new Vercel keynote is coming up. My IDE before Cursor? NetBeans. It's 4:59. Let's push to production. I found this new framework on Reddit. Is even package? I didn't use that package. I wrote it. I know a lot about JavaScript. Console log 1. Localization, of course. I localize to JavaScript all the time. Why is our app 4 terabyte large? Console log 2. What do we need Docker for? I have like 23 screenshots of our setup. And important. I feel they are developing these tests only to punish me. Am I using merge sort or bubble sort? I'm using AI. No, with AI, I don't have to upload our code base to Stack Overflow anymore. Come on, AI, you can do it. No, I don't just name my variable names after Marvel figures. That was years ago. This is clean code. Temp calculation 1. Always work on the state of the art. Always expect the user to sit in an environment with perfect internet condition with 64 GB RAM. Are you prepared to put in the work? I can reuse this for LinkedIn. I once met the CEO of HTMX. I'm the guy who subscribes to Notion productivity templates. You're welcome. I have never closed a Trello ticket in time. That's why we're doing Agile. How do I estimate the duration of this feature? I'm currently in between features. There are apps supposed to last more than 1 year. These are like long living apps like Linux or something. I'm crediting them. It says props to FFmpeg. AI is taking our jobs. How to open Cursor Composer. It took 10 years of hard work by senior engineers and sleepless nights to get this web app to be robust. And it takes one guy who doesn't know how memory works and a late night commit to test our shareholders' nerves. This would be my main job here. Microservices. I optimized the website mainly for mobile Safari browser. And who's testing this? The customer. DDoS-driven development. Blockchain.
Did you move our entire AWS stack to Vercel again?
Don't hate the player, hate the game.
What?
AI.